massive earthquake struck Japan Tsunami Warning Issued Tokyo, March 5, 2025. A powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Japan early this morning, triggering tsunami warning across the region. The Japan Meteorological Agency, or JMA, has urged residents in coastal area to evacuate to high ground immediately. The quake was centered 150 km off the eastern coast of Onsu. Tremors were felt as far away as Tokyo, causing buildings to sway and disrupting public transportation. There have been reports of structural damage and power outage in several cities. Authorities are currently assessing the situation. An emergency response team have been deployed of affected areas. So far, no official casual figures have been released, but hospitals are preparing for a potential influx in injured individuals. The government has urged the public to stay alert for aftershock and to follow official updates. International aid organizations have also expressed readiness to assist of need.